Let's give you a little shop update what's going on here. The Buick. She's bolted down on her frame. Got her all sprayed up underneath. Nice texture. Looking good. Very happy with it. That's all done. You can hear in the background my own 58 running. I just pulled her around real quick. It's kind of the end of the day here. I pulled her around because the valve cover gasket was leaking. So I replaced the valve cover gasket on the passenger side. Driver's side's not leaking yet. So when you watch it, it'll start leaking now that I replace one side, the other side. Usually that's how it works, right? You replace one side and the other side starts to leak. But yeah. Just a little bit of water blowing off there because I hosed her down. It had some oil here and there. So that's all done. Just letting her warm up, make sure everything's good. Checked all the fluids in her. Taking her away, going away again this weekend. I know. When are we going to get time to work on that custom car? We never know. Okay, the Scout. The Scout is all done. It is ready. It's seam sealed. Everything on this part of the Scout is done and ready for paint. Everything. Jams inside, like everything. Fenders are ready to go for paint. All the inside here is ready to go for paint. The doors are ready to go for paint. The only thing that's not ready is the tailgate still needs to be blocked out and the hood. That's it. Oh, and the windshield pillar. This is a windshield pillar you see sitting right over here. It's got to be blocked down. That's about it. And then we got the doors here. Brought those out, dragged those out for the 67 crew cab. Those are going to be getting blocked out tomorrow, and then they can be painted next week. We got the Camaro. You remember the 67 ragtop? Well, they've got all the firewall all painted, the nice satin black. So we're going to be bolting that onto the subframe starting tomorrow. We're going to be onto that. And what else is going on? Oh, and then we got the top for the Scout. Sean's got that all ready here. So I'm working away. Still got a bit more to go here, but he'll have this done tomorrow, getting her all prepped and ready to go in primer. It's got a few dents on the roof, but the owner doesn't want to fix them. He says mainly the top is just to stick on in the fall, the early spring, you know, the winter and that maybe. He's going to run around, obviously, why wouldn't you, with the top off most of the time, so he's not concerned about getting too carried away of doing the bodywork up there. No one sees it, it sits up high. And there we go, we got Sean in the background there. You see what he's doing? He's masking away, you know what that means? I'll tell you what that means. What that means is it's Wednesday night, and we are going to try to shoot a little color on the firewall and the door jambs of old Carried Away in there. The color that it was back in the day. One of many three choices that we have. We have the purple maroon, we have the goldy tan, or we have the green machine. Which one would it be? I don't know. You're going to have to stay tuned and see what happens here. So stay tuned and for the next video coming up, because we're not going to add it to this one because there's just too much today. This is done for the day. But that's it. So, not much else to show you. That's what's going on. We've been working on all sorts of little shit like this, just getting things tidied up. Oh, the Falcon. The Falcon is out back here. We pushed it out of the bay today. I got to bring it back in here. That's why we got this big open space up right here. But the Falcon's over here. We have finished up all the welding, and now we're welding in this caster camber kit that the customer brought us. So we got one side done. We just got to get the other side done. So we'll be dropping that car off the hoist in the morning and pulling this back in and doing that first thing in the morning. And then the welding is all done. There's nothing left on this car really to weld. Even the e-brake underneath, if you're out there watching Jeff, that got done. Everything is done that you wanted. So then that takes care of that. So then what I'm going to be doing next on the car is I'm going to drop the dry shaft out, cover up the lines the best I can underneath with some tin foil and that, and start cleaning it underneath and getting the floors all sprayed underneath. Then that's done. And then, man, it's rolling along now. And then we'll take a little break and we'll talk to Jeff and we'll see where he wants to go next. Next would be deal with the brakes, deal with the exhaust, and deal with the alignment. That would be next. Get all that shit done before you get involved in doing the bodywork. That way there, people can lean on the car, they can touch the car, they can do whatever the hell they want right now. So anyway, I got to get my beast out of the way. Oh yeah, the Ford. We started the bodywork on the front end here. I can't get around there right now. We got going on that too. I got to get my beast out of here. I got to get Jeff's in the garage, and that's that. So there we go. Yeah, she sounds pretty healthy, eh? Nice little 302. Bit of a cam in her. Yeah, she's a good car, this old girl. Okay, that's it. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember, it's always a damn good time at Old Time Garage. Stay tuned. The next video will be the carried away Chevy with a little bit of color on her. I'm crushing hard here. I'm trying to get to this deadline. I think I got 6 weeks to go, and there's a long ways to go to get there. Can I do it? I don't know. We'll try. I keep saying, can I do it? You guys have no idea. I'm gone away now for 4 more days. I'm gone away the end of the month for 5 days. Oh, I ain't leaving much time to do this. But I like burning the candle at both ends. I've been known to do that. I've been known to be the guy that burns the candle at both ends and never gets, always gets stuff done, but never gets any rust. And I can do it. I still got one more build in me, and it's going to be carried away. See you later.